Ladies and gentlemen,
L-iktar il-gentleman imma ta'
please welcome the winner of the Love Island to 2024, Tamika!
Tamika! Kif jent?
I'm good, thank you very much.
It's not showing, hello.
Mu jidher xej illu.
We are checking, għax ma nafx indunajċ. Imma, fl-axħar, tellaw ritratt tiegħek, kont ma Ben Kamil. U ħarġit lek naqra, kif naqbad ngħidilha bil-pulit? Bessi, rajtu dak ir-ritratt.
No, I didn't know. I didn't know about this.
Issa norulek, lilkom u se norulkom. All right?
Anyways, welcome on our show. Express your emotions. Hey, how do you feel now that Love Island is finally over?
Well, I'm very excited to be out of the villa for sure. It's really fun to be, seeing everyone, my family and my friends. And yeah, I'm ready to start my new life outside the villa.
Tajjeb, isma, now that Clinton is not here as we left him outside, what do you feel about his music career?
I love it.
You love it?
I love it.
Mux disastru.
It's good. I think Eyes Drippin' is my favorite song.
Tara anka music-wise ġifiri, you're in sync.
Yes, I like rap.
Proset.
There's a rumor that your hair is made out of extensions of parts of hair of your exes. Is it true?
Yes, it's true. Yes, it's true. Watch out.
I'll give you some if you want.
Thank you.
At least a kiss,
Yeah, but-
At least a kiss.
Every
Stop
morning.
flirting. Clinton's outside.
Veru, bissek tissi, da ma jistax jara wahda u kol.
Ija vera.
Every morning, you had like a meeting, mux hekk?
Yes, a morning catch-up.
It was forced on you, le bil-forced it tamluha.
Yes, most of the time it was like they would be like, morning catch-up.
To be honest, for us it was really boring, Really? We would have just seen what you have done, and then you would tell us all about it again. What did you hate in there?
Hey,
Kien hemm xi ħaġa li ddejqek? Le?
Kun honest.
I can tell you what I hated.
what?
Your hat. The one that you
My
wore.
hat? My bonnet?
Yes.
That was the best thing in there. What are you talking
Oh,
about?
God. The chef's hat.
It was amazing.
Isma, do you think that is a plus or on a sexual intimate level having that hat or
Of
not?
course, it adds more pizzazz.
Issa jiena
Fakkarni
terba
ħal Saqsul
fanija.
Clinton fuq għadi, sewa.
He's gonna agree. He's gonna love it. He loves it.
Issa, you and Raquel were quite close, tajjeb.
Yes.
Still, you voted for her to leave the villa.
Yes.
Why is that?
I feel like she had a very short time with Angel, and I feel like the connections had built more with other couples. I think it was between her and Miriam and Selwyn, and I didn't really know the full story of Miriam and Selwyn, and then Clinton kind of explained it to me, and we both decided on Raquel and Angel. It was a very tough decision, and I didn't want to see her leave, but
Do you think she would have voted you or any of the others?
any of the others.
Iġviri, kieku kienet bil-kontra.
I mean, she did vote. She voted for Keon and Delania.
Yeah.
All right, okay. Iġviri, ma għalatekx ma kieku li, kienet ħalli kem, muxek?
I know, yes.
Fuck it, oh.
Well, it's a game. Mela, apart from the date, you have never had time alone with you and Clinton.
Yeah.
Now that you are out, what are your plans?
We still have to meet actually, because yesterday we kind of spent it with family and stuff and friends. And then, today we just had a busy day talking to people.
Mela, you took 1 year off from school, eh?
Yes.
Mela, għamel l-istess ħaġa, għamel 1 year ma' Clinton u ħab ma' jkellimhom jek tarawhom, all right?
Għalluhom kwieti.
Għallhom kwieti da tnej. Mela, will you split bills or, ġifiri, let's say you go out and eat.
Eżatt.
Will you split bills?
Jew ħażommu 20K bħala kiti.
How will it work?
I guess we split the bill.
Mux aħjar ma bissomx l-20 mill-biznis ġeja, ġifiri.
Tmiss minn ġewwa qalbi, ħallihom hemm dawk.
Oh, this is so funny. I'm sorry.
We asked Clinton to mention 3 things he hates about you. He actually mentioned 27.
Okay.
What do you hate about him?
I don't hate anything about him at all, honestly. I think, first of all, I don't know, like, I've known him for like 3 weeks, so I don't think I know him well enough yet.
So,
to
3
actually
weeks in
hate
there, it's
something
like
that-
3 months, eh?
It's true, it does feel
Jek
long.
titna mill-lek lista fuq l-oħrajn. Isma, anyways, it's not true. He said 27 bad things about you.
In fact,
I
we-
was kidding.
I know.
Mela, how is the kissing with Clinton?
Guessing.
Għax everyone was talking about his lips and everything, so how is the kissing? Għax no, inti tista' spjeganna tajjeb.
It's good kissing.
Juicy lips, oh.
Yep. Yeah.
Have you checked your phone?
No.
Le, wara li ħriġ.
No, yes, I have, I mean, yeah.
What are your friends telling you?
I mean,
general.
they're all
Was it
very
a good
happy for
choice? Itilqu, mandek xi tridu, jew affarijiet sbieħ.
me. No, they all really like him, my friend. They like him. Even my mom and his dad are like talking now, and they've become friends. They were chatting during the final day.
Zira bala in one day.
What? No,
in one
not
day.
no, not in one day, not in one day.
During the course of the program.
Yes, like kind of from when they met inside the villa to the end of the show. They
Kiku jindik bezzani, joqdu jitkellmu wara dari, ma ħallija. Isma, di 20K nerġgħu niġu għas-sota xemmedin.
Il-kitty.
How will you spend the money, mela?
I'm going to go to Miami.
Yes!
Mela ġimma ħajservu kek sejra Miami.
No, I'm joking. I'm going to invest it in my friend's company.
Together, anka Clinton?
No, I don't know what Clinton's doing.
Ora, ġifi, kuħat bin-nofs
That's
That's his shit.
That's his stuff.
Issa, if you decide you want to share again, I will be very happy to come along with you and Clinton here, wherever you go, okay?
Mur kamodina maħħom jew.
Xorta.
Insomma, I will come too. Well done, Tamika. Can we both get a kiss?
Ejja.
Għaniġi.
Don't tell Clinton, don't tell Clinton.
Are my lips as juicy as Clinton's?
Even juicier.
I have to tell you that you taste like Clinton, għax when I kissed, ħassejta jena. ma
Ej,
nafx.
we have narent u koll.
So, I can confirm they are still together, għax kien hemm għalissa dawk joħorġu minn hemm and that's it.
Tamika, thank you.
You're welcome.
Signori li kienet Tamika, do you want to say something else?
No.
Le?
Thank you for the coffee.
All right, you're
I-
welcome.
Welcome,
I appreciate
darling.
it,
Bye.
guys. Bye.